my colleague, Ethan Porter, has been doing some very important research and some experiments on climate change disinformation and how that sticks. So here's what he's got to say and how he summarizes his work.
My research offers good news and bad news for those concerned about misinformation and climate change. The good news is straightforward. We can combat misinformation by exposing people to factually accurate information. And when we do so, people will become more accurate as a result. That's exciting. It suggests that people's misperceptions and confusion about climate change aren't set in stone. And that's the good news. Here's some more troubling news. First, my research has shown that even when people are made more accurate, their beliefs about what should be done don't necessarily change at the same time. In the case of climate change, we can disabuse people of false notions they have about climate change, but in doing so, it's not likely that we're going to also make people more eager to support policies that would actually mitigate climate change. Here's another piece of bad news. Even when people become more factually accurate, those accuracy gains are fleeting. So this is, in my opinion, rather disquieting. When people become accurate at one moment, just a few days later, that sort of accuracy gain may no longer be detectable. Last but not least, in my research, I've shown that skeptical opinion content that casts doubt on climate change, has nefarious effects on belief accuracy. Misinformation can be spread by political leaders and political writers spreading misinformation. And when it's spread in that way, people respond by becoming less accurate as a result.